Kuonda ba? Tani. Kuonda ba? Kote.
لما تاكل اوكي كان مدبر في عنك
Akhi to.
Hello everyone! Boker Tov Israel! Today guys, I will share with you a new recipe again of cauliflower. And here, cauliflower. So first thing we do is we will cut it. We will take half. You're gonna cook only. We will gonna cook only half of this kasi masyadong marami. So we do like this. So ganito guys kaliliit ang slice ng ating cauliflower. And then we will set aside. We will do it until maubos ang ating cauliflower. So guys, ito ang ating slice cauliflower. So we will soak this in the water. We will put melak or salt and vinegar a few minutes, and then we will boil in the water. So guys, ito na yung ating cauliflower, sliced cauliflower. I will put vinegar. We will gonna soak it for around 3 minutes together with salt. And while we are doing this guys, we need to boil water later, and we will put shemen oil or oil sa English. Shemen kasi sa Hebrew. So we will gonna set aside muna guys, and then we will do the next step. Tubig, nilagyan ko siya ng oil. Wait natin siyang kumulo guys para sa ating cauliflower. So maybe kukulo ito ng 5 or 10 minutes. So babalikan natin siya mamaya para ilagay natin ang ating cauliflower. After 10 years later guys, kumukulo na ang ating tubig. So we will gonna put our cauliflower. We will gonna blanch it. We will gonna cook it for 5 minutes only guys, without cover. So wait lang natin siyang maluto konti. Huwag natin siyang overcook para crunchy later. So while we are waiting na ma-blanch ang ating cauliflower, we will do the butter guys. So guys, we will do the butter. In a large bowl, we will mix flour, 1 cup flour. It depends guys the quantity you cook. But for me guys, it's enough 1 cup of flour. We will gonna add also baking powder, 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon guys, and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Yan. And then 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So we will mix all together the ingredients, the dry ingredients, and then we will add hot water. We will mix this guys until our butter is smooth. So guys, this is our butter. So, pwede na guys. So, dapat ganito ang itsura ang ating butter guys. Okay? So, ready na tayong mag-fry. And, kailangan din natin guys ng breadcrumbs. You can use Italian breadcrumbs or regular. Depende po sa inyong panlasa. So, finish. We will go to the next step. Okay na ang ating cauliflower. So, i-drain natin siya. Tapos, huhugasan natin siya ng malamig. Tapos natin ang magpakulo ang ating na tubig. Balmagan lang natin siya. So guys, mag-red-reds tayo. Ito ang gagamitin ko na breadcrumbs. So guys, mag-red-reds na tayo ng ating cauliflower. So, dapat guys, painit na tayo ng ating mantika. Para after dreads, lalagay na natin siya sa ating ganito guys, dapat ganito, and then we will gonna fry it. So ubusin natin ang mga cauliflower natin ng ganito, and then we will start to fry. Lagay na natin ang ating cauliflower. Yan guys, wait natin siyang mag golden brown. So yan guys, luto na ang ating broccoli. So kailangan na natin siya hanguin. Yan, okay na siya, golden brown na siya, crispy na siya. So later guys, golden brown ang ating cauliflower. Hahanguin na natin siya, and i-rest natin siya sa near magagay or table tissue.